Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Windows and Elden Ring are ready and your controller firmware is updated. This avoids recognition issues. Once done, choose Bluetooth for wireless freedom or USB-C for zero latency. If using Bluetooth, open Windows Settings Bluetooth and Devices and toggle Bluetooth on. Press the Xbox button, then hold the sync button until the LED blinks. If using USB, plug the cable directly to your PC and the controller. Windows will install drivers automatically. You should launch Steam and configure input because Elden Ring runs through Steam for controller mapping. First, open Steam and go to Controller General Controller Settings, then enable Xbox configuration support so Steam recognizes button mapping and gyro. Next, check Elden Ring in your library, right-click Properties, and force Steam input to Enabled if needed. This ensures remaps and profiles load. Finally, test buttons in Steam's controller test window so the game reads inputs correctly before launching. You'll now launch Elden Ring and immediately verify that movement, camera, and buttons respond as expected. This confirms mapping passed through. If aim or sticks feel off, make small dead zone adjustments or remap troublesome buttons in Steam's controller layout. This fixes drift and inverted inputs. If the controller isn't recognized, reconnect via cable or Bluetooth, reinstall the Xbox driver, update Windows, or restart your PC. One quick reboot often clears driver conflicts and restores proper control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.